So today we're at the Inn at Charlestown, which is the hotel here at the Hollywood Casino at Charlestown Races. So we're going to spend a night here. We're going to do a little room tour and a tour of the property. So the hotel is separated from the casino, as you can see here. The racetrack is actually in between. Off to my left, over this way, that you have the racetrack, and then you actually have the Hollywood Casino building. It's a rather large casino. It's actually got the largest gaming floor in West Virginia. Picture of this is the lobby at the Inn at Charlestown, and you come in. Over there is check-in. They're very good at check-in. We'll give them A+. Got to check in a little early today, so you can never argue with that. So, quick room tour here at the Inn at Charlestown, West Virginia. This is room 435. This is just their classic king, I guess they call it. It's kind of, they have one other size room. It's called a luxury king, roughly the same size, but it has a view of the racetrack. All right, so when you come in, you got a bathroom here, a little storage nook. I can see it looks a little dated with this type of wallpaper. Let's pull out here a little bit. It does have a shower enclosure, decent sized shower. We've got bath products all supplied here. All right, come in, of course, you got a mirror here. Let's see, let's check out the closet. Looks like it's going to be a small closet. Yeah, it's a little bit of a small closet. It does have the wall safe. I'm going to go skimping on the hangers a bit. They only have 4 hangers. It does have an ironing board. And then this is the room. This is, like I said, a king-size room. That's decent in here. Again, it looks like it could be updated. Interestingly enough, this hotel was added in 2008, I believe. 153 rooms. Like it said earlier, it's separated from the casino. The racetrack is in between the hotel and the casino. The casino has a huge parking garage and some surface parking, which is free as well. 42-inch LG TV, storage here underneath, and you do have a refrigerator. It was working when we checked it. They do supply you a couple of complimentary water bottles, and you have a little coffee machine here. And then the desk, again, some outlets here for power. And again, over here, I believe, no, don't see anything with the phone. Got this little chair, and like I said, not much of a view here. Overlooking parking lot and part of Charlestown, West Virginia. There. Now we'll do a wrap up on what if we have any issues with the room. First look, it looks clean. Smells rather clean. So we'll just give an update on what we find, and hopefully there's nothing bad to report. We don't like doing that. All right, back with a little update now that we've been in the room. No issues at all with the room, right?
No, I mean, we could use a few more outlets, but that seems to be the problem with all hotels.
Yeah.
And
well, not all, but yeah.
Well, we didn't have no extra towels, and
right.
One of our towel racks is not working. It's broken. So.
The hook on the back of the door is missing, but yes, and you could use you just get two regular towels, 2 hand towels, etc. It's always nice when the hotels give you at least 1 or 2 extra towels.
But they did have the makeup towel, the black one for women, so that was a plus. That was a
plus for Angel, yes. Yeah, air conditioning works. So yeah, everything seems to be working in the room. So that's an average room, we'd say. Definitely, we showed you earlier, it could use a little updating. But for the price, you do get a free breakfast buffet. We'll show you a video of that in the morning. We did, when we got here, the people were very nice up front. We did arrive a little earlier, so we had some time to kill. They sent us over to casino. There is a shuttle to the casino. We elected to drive over there, and like here's the thing though, it's not, you can't walk there. There's really no sidewalks between here and the casino, and so you'd have to walk on the road. So you either have to take the shuttle or drive over there. But the signage isn't very good. We assumed it was right down the road here, but it doesn't actually say casino. Like, it does show signs for the inn and for parking. So you just had to assume that was for the casino, but then you didn't know what floor the casino was on unless you looked that up earlier. So I just be aware of that.
And the parking garage, when we were trying to get out, it was a little bit tricky with exit. And,
and
no alcohol was involved at that point. So
no
a little more signage would have been helpful.
Right. So we'll have some footage for the casino too, and we'll show you that in a little bit. All right. Later. Thanks. Bye.
So this is entering the casino floor from the west parking garage elevator bank. And right here to your right is their sports book. Now we're seeing some scenes from the casino floor itself. There's over 1,900 slots here, 74 table games, dedicated poker room, which you'll see later, and a high limit room for slots right there. And of course, they have the Barstool Sportsbook Lounge, which we showed you earlier. This is the final cut. This is their prime steakhouse restaurant, so their fine dining option here at the casino. Straight ahead, we're coming up on the eatery here at the casino. There are 5 unique spots serving everything from Italian to Asian to burgers. Now these spots actually have various hours. You can see this one is closed right now, so you have to be aware of that if you're planning to try any of these places out.
It serves it right there.
Yeah, this place is so large. They have various sections here that are entirely non-smoking. And the Slot Central is one of them. And here's a little taste of our slot play from our time over at the casino. You can check one of our related videos on our channel to see the whole video from our time in Charlestown. Back in this section is the Hollywood Casino Event Center, Charlestown. They get a lot of musical and comedy acts in, so it's a good place to see a show. I think it holds 1,500. It has seating for 1,500. As we keep going here, you can see how large this casino is. It's 181,000 square feet, and this area is near the back. It's another whole area with that's non-smoking, and it has a lot more slot machines in it.
Okay, you're gonna be on it then.
Here is the Sports Book Bar and Grill. This is where we ended up having dinner. Great service here, and the food was good too. And Angel particularly liked her donut stuffed dessert. This video clearly shows you just how high the ceilings are in this casino, which is great. If you're someone that's bothered by smoke, even if you're unless you're right next to somebody, you barely notice it because how well the airflow is and the high ceilings. There was the IGT zone, then you have a bar right here, and then there is the Aristocrat Lounge also on your right. And in both that and the IGT zone, it's just slots from those manufacturers, which is pretty cool. So you can find your favorite games there. We're on our way to the poker room here. This is a dedicated poker room, and it's near the back of the casino.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
About to check out, and we just wanted to give an update. We thought we were done with the updates, but after sleeping in the bed, I guess the final thing we should say is it needs a new mattress. New mattress.
Yeah. It's kind of a little lumpy.
Yeah, you sink in. So 2008, I bet they haven't bought new mattresses in some time. Now that might not be the case in every room, but definitely here in room 435. Yep. We did also go down to the breakfast. Now it's a free buffet, so that's good, breakfast buffet, but it's a very minimal buffet. It's a continental breakfast, so cereals,
hard-boiled eggs.
Yeah, minimal fruit available, juice.
No yogurt.
Juice and coffee, so no hot things, no scrambled eggs, no bacon, no sausage, no...
Well, it's continental.
Yeah,
so.
No waffle maker, which are always nice. So just be aware of that too. but you can't beat free. So I guess final review.
Well, the room was clean. The room was really clean
Yeah.
too. So, and the bathroom was clean for being slightly older. So that was good.
Oh yeah, yeah. So everything else was fine. I think I would give it. Again, I mean it's just a standard hotel, so it's not like some of the resort suites. I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10, maybe 6.5.
I would have given it a 7. But
7.
but
But one quick thing, price-wise, it's a fairly good deal. I mean, we looked at other places here in Charlestown, like Hilton Honors. Looked at the Hampton Inn. It was around $150 something a night. We do get a slight discount here for being Penn Play members, so we were right around just over $100 for the night. So, check around if you're a reward member. It's probably definitely worth it if you're going to come by to check out this casino or a race or a concert here. They do have a lot of upcoming concerts and entertainers coming in. So again, that's it from us. See you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.